Mark here from Whiz Kids with another edition of Saturday Morning Science. Today we're going to make an invisible fire extinguisher. Yeah, I know, it sounds kind of weird. Invisible fire extinguisher. This is an absolute must-do with parents. It involves fire, and we want to make sure the parents are doing this experiment with the kids, and the kids aren't just doing it on their own. Got it? Good. Here are the supplies that we need today. We need some baking soda. We need some vinegar. We'll need a spoon, 2 glasses, a large glass, a small glass, a tea light candle, and matches or a lighter like this. Here's the way that it works. We're going to do a chemical reaction. We've done this before. We're going to combine vinegar and baking soda. What that produces is a gas. It fizzes up and you get a gas that comes out of that. That gas is carbon dioxide. It's the same gas that we breathe out. When we exhale, we are largely breathing out carbon dioxide as a waste product from animals. The interesting thing about carbon dioxide is it is heavier than air. It tends to sink to the bottom. So what's going to happen, we're going to do the reaction in this glass, fizz, 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 and then the glass will become filled with carbon dioxide. And then I'm going to very carefully pour the carbon dioxide gas, the invisible gas, into this small cup, the small glass, with the candle inside it. And the carbon dioxide will smother the candle. Flames need oxygen. Fire needs oxygen to breathe, kind of like we do. Without oxygen, a flame cannot continue. It will extinguish itself. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to put a little vinegar in the big glass. I'm not going to put a lot, maybe as much as a half a cup. I'll get that ready. I do need to get the candle ready, so I'm going to put the candle inside the small glass and I'm going to light it. This is definitely the parent's job. Okay, so we have the candle burning in the small glass. We've got vinegar in the large glass. We're now going to dump some baking soda into the vinegar. We're going to get that fizzing reaction that we've seen so many times, and we're going to create some carbon dioxide. Science is a messy business sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to dump out the gas without dumping out the liquid. This might be hard. Let's see how we do. And there we go. As simple as that. So this was an invisible fire extinguisher. It's a really cool way of showing that a flame needs oxygen to burn, and without that oxygen, the flame will extinguish itself. So this is Metric Mark from Whiz Kids with another edition of Saturday Morning Science. We will see you next week.